nobody knows. Trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical. Think that I'm gonna explode. Echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind.
Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show y'all something. I'm not going to use it today, but I'm going to show y'all something. I've got to unpack it, so I'm going to show y'all that. As you can see, I got a green chef box, and the only reason I did this is because I got it, the first one, for so cheap, so I wanted to see what it, what it was about and stuff like that, because I've never had anything like this. It just wasn't something that I was interested in, but it's you got to try everything once and twice if you like it. So I'm going to try this, and this came this morning, and the people upstairs are evidently out of town, and they have someone watching their house or house sitting or whatever it is, and she said that they brought the box up there this morning, and she brought it down here. So I have not done this before, so alright, so let's see what I've got. I got chicken with basil, it's not rice, let's see, pesto. It's not pesto, y'all. But it does say basil, but it's not pesto, it's pisto. Alright, so there's one, and then the other one is 3 meals that I got. And I don't remember. Alright, this one is mojito shrimp, coconut jasmine rice, cabbage slaw with radishes and mangoes. Okay, so we're going to try that one and see. 10 ounces of shrimp. Alright, and then this was pork chops with apricot pan sauce. So it comes with, it says herb seasoned stuffing and roasted green beans. Alright, so this sounds really good. It says what you'll need with this is medium and large saute pans, baking sheet, measuring cup and spoons, whisk, thermometer, oven mitt, cooking oil, 3 tablespoons butter, salt, and pepper. And then that's what I'll need, and then here's the items that it comes with or whatever. So that's pretty cool. It tells you what you need and then what you need to use here, which is not any food except the butter. They provide all that. Alright, so let's... Oh! This is really cool. Alright, so... pork chops. Wow, this is not cold at all. She opened it, I guess, and didn't put it back. Alright, y'all, this says pork chops. I'm going to check these out. And there's the bread. There's the green beans. There's the carrots. There's the apricot jam. What is this? 1 onion. And then some mushroom broth concentrate. So, alright, all this will go into the fridge, I guess. Look, the one, 2 things of celery. Alright, that's 1 bag. That's for the... Let me get you down here. I want you to be able to see. All right, and then this is the bag for the chicken. And then this is the bag for the shrimp. Oh, gosh. All right, so this is the bag of ice, and it's still frozen. So I guess that the stuff down here it's really runny, but... yeah, it's not frozen, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this now. Alright, there's a paper and butter base designed to keep your shipment cold. I don't know whether you can... We're always looking to better serve you and the planet. If you love our insulation or think it could be better, please tell us. Alright, so I don't know whether I can put this in the freezer or not. It says I'm sink safe. So that's the ice for that. Alright. Sustainably farm raised, raw, peeled, and deveined. Keep refrigerated or frozen, thaw in refrigerator or microwave. Alright, so I guess I can freeze this. This is the chicken cutlet, and this is supposed to be for 2 people. I don't know about that. I guess it is 2 fillets there. And then here's the 2 pork chops. They're pretty good looking. So all this has got to go in the freezer and the refrigerator. And so I just wanted y'all to see that this first one was $26. And that's because I got the deal. I cannot remember who I signed with. I can't remember whether it was, I think it was Fit Frugal Mom or Frugal Fit Mom. Either her or Jen Chapin. I'm not sure which one. But we're going to put this in the freezer, and I just wanted y'all to see. This is a quick video. I just wanted you to see, because I'd never really paid attention to what comes in. Like this bag is the shrimp. So what comes with that? And it's got this cabbage, the red cabbage, 3 radishes, coconut, shredded coconut. Oh gosh. Cilantro that's wilted. Can you put these in the freezer from... Okay, go ahead. Wow. Mint, all these veggies or whatever. I don't know if the girl upstairs... It must have came yesterday or last night or something, and I didn't know. And mojito style marinade, and then wow. And then that's how much mango it is. I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of mango. All right, so all this is for the shrimp. But I don't like the mint and the cilantro. Look at the cilantro. It's like really, you can't see it. I don't guess, but it's just really dried up. And the mint has too. But I'm gonna get Teresa to put these into the refrigerator. All right, so all right, now this is the one that goes with the chicken. Can you put these in the freezer, please?
Which?
I guess that one. Kitchen. All right, so what is this? chard. This is chard. I can't remember if I've ever eaten chard or not. Ugh. What is that? Oh, fennel. That's fennel. Wow. This is... What is it? Red pepper. Roasted red pepper. And what is this? I have no idea. I don't know what it is, but I guess when I get into the instructions, I'll find out. And then here's the jasmine rice, a half a cup of that. And then basil. It's spelled P-I-S-T-O-U. And I would have thought that maybe it was pesto, but pesto is P-E-S-T-O. So, pisto, pistel, I don't know. I don't know how you pronounce it. But anyway, and then here's artichoke hearts. You get a little bitty thing of those, so... Well, like I said, you try everything once and twice if you like it. So I'm gonna get Teresa to put all this in the refrigerator. That's going in the refrigerator for when I cook it or whatever. And I've got my recipe cards over there. And I will bring y'all along with each meal that I make from them so that we can see how good it tastes or whatever. But I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked being able to see what you do get with one of these. And this one is the Green Chef box, the most sustainable meal kit. So if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also look below for links to different things that you can purchase from Amazon that I use in my kitchen, or you may want to use in your kitchen. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.